This article is a set of PowerPoint slides based on what I call the Harlech Dome. It's a geological feature found in northwest Wales, where you have the Cadridrus Mountains, known as Arthur's Seat, and you have Snowdonia itself, and the rocks on the top of those mountains are the same. So there appears to be, by the inclination of the rocks, an actual dome that goes over what we now would call the Rhinogs, near Barmouth, between Barmouth and Harlech, hence the name Harlech Dome. And some force seems to have stripped away this dome, leaving behind the base rocks, which is the Rhinog Mountains, which you can see at the bottom of the Snowdonia Mountains and also the bottom of Cadridrus. So there's two questions to be asked. First, how did the original layers be formed that make up the mountains of Cadridrus and Snowdon? And then what force stripped away the dome itself? And really, I think the best explanation lies in the flood. The worldwide flood would have laid down in the first 6 months the layers of rocks, which show no sign of erosion between the layers. Therefore, they must have been all laid down at the same time. If those layers are ever bent, those layers show no sign of cracking, which suggests that they must have been bent all at the same time when they were still damp. And so the first 6 months of the flood, you would have the layers of rocks laid down. In the last 6 months of the flood, when the waters retreated into the oceans, you would have this incredible sheet of water stripping away land wherever there was a weakness, and hence the dome being stripped away. You see the same thing in the South and North Downs and the Weald, where the whole dome of chalk has been stripped away to leave behind an old is so easy to drop into the old age paradigm. The older only in the sense of by probably a few days or hours, rocks that lie beneath. Because remember, there is no erosion between these rock layers, and in some cases the polystrate fossils that go between the rock layers, showing they must have all been laid down at the same time. And so something like the Harlech Dome or the dome that we see down in the South and North Downs are products of a worldwide flood. They're not products of millions of years. Well, thank you for listening.